you like cars and like guns. We're going to shoot guns today at zombies.
At zombies? You're going to shoot Nerf guns at zombies?
Yeah. We're going to make these plans. Today we're going to be coloring zombie targets, and we're also going to be coloring them. These 3. We made them ourselves, and also if you want to make these, they're in the link below.
All right, should we color them?
Yeah. Zombie targets. Yeah.
What are you guys using?
I'm using the Fortnite Nerf silent suppressed pistol. What do you have? I have a Nerf Jolt. The Nerf Jolt. I have the Zombie Edition Flip Flurry. And then he has the Disruptor. Nerf.
Okay, load your guns. Get shooting some zombies, guys.
I already got my guns loaded. Yeah, this one has no bullets. Now.
Watch out for the obstacle. There's a baby. Don't hit her. Look out for the zombies. They want to shoot some zombies too. Oh no, the zombies! Run!
Zombies. Yeah.
Did you guys save us from the apocalypse?
Yep. Now it's time to switch mags.